Morning guys, well it's next day now because I'd had enough yesterday. Yeah, shooting was fun, but don't look at my hair, it's that bad, look. So yeah, I'd had enough. One problem after another, took me way too long to get anything done, especially the Zafira. So, well, screw it, we'll go home, come back, new day, start again. So today's challenge is... new gear shifter, and all the bits and bobs that goes with it. The reason I'm fitting this now, which I probably should have done this before I put the exhaust on, is the seats aren't in. So it's going to be a lot easier to work around. Yes, that is my seat, the bucket. It works. But race clutch with no brakes isn't fun. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to get this one ripped out, might hoover it too, and get this one put in. This is going to be a fun learning curve. Again guys, just big shout out to Regal Autosport. These are the guys who supplied me this gear linkage, plus many other parts. Again, brilliant bunch of guys, no messing, good service, decent prices. Do go check them out, I'll drop a link below, go see what you think to them. Can't recommend them enough, they've been so helpful building this over the last months. But yeah, go and have a look, links to it. Right, now the interior's out. I moved some of the wiring because I do have to do some grinding, but I don't think it actually matters. But I did it just in case. So we're going to put exhaust off. Well, that bit anyway. Yeah, got all the seats shut down. Let's get gear linkage out. Gear linkage is down-ish. I know exhaust in way. The inside of the gear linkage box, just so you can see what's in there. We'll show you what we're doing with that later. But yeah, let's go in there. Just to give you a bit of a side-by-side comparison. A little bit different. Obviously this one sits a bit higher, but it's a quicker throw, and it just looks a bit cooler. So we're going for that. Right, let's see what we've got to change to make it fit. Some assembly required. I have marked it. There's actually two lines. One's really faint. I've got to go in between them. 20mm. Close enough. And then I've got to cut the ball off of that one. This should be fun. So now the idea is to put it in place, mark the holes, and take a drill to it. Let's see what I can break. I did have a Sharpie, but the problem with the Sharpie is it won't actually go inside the hole. So we're winging it. What we do best. There we go, 4 holes. One drill. to go with. And believe me, I did try. Oh. And that's it. It's in. Cool, let's go racing. Yeah, very easy. It's in, but that's about it. It's in. Now let's go and make this gear linkage fit underneath. It's forever to get them silly little clips in. That one and that one. But what I've done, I just want to show you, grinded a bit of a flat edge to it. Just so these grub screws have got something to grab on rather than a round pole. And it lets the bolts go in a bit further. To me it makes sense. Could be wrong, might have done it wrong, but I think that makes more sense. Right. Stupid little thing, guys, when you push these in, make sure these tabs are actually pulled out. They lock in, but then they pull back out dead easy if you're not careful. But no, we're on. We've got one more rod up top. I'm not going to tempt fate and put the bottom plate on until I know it works. Because if you smell, look. Alright, next bit. Alright, so with any luck, it should be a case of stick this on, and it works. Ish. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, what was it? That's because it's all loose probably. 6. Ain't got reverse, but I've got to adjust that. Oh, not as bad. I did make a mistake, which I've realised afterwards, but sorted that. It works. Happy days. Right, now all the featherling's done. That took some setting up. First I didn't have reverse, then I didn't have first, then I didn't have 6. All controlled by this little arm and the little groove screws there. But we've done it. It's working. We have all gears. Stick it together. Road test. No, we've got to get the other wheels off. Close. Very close now though. You've done something right when the final piece is going on. But when you see it says Punto, you just cry a little bit inside. No, I'm joking. Don't mind Puntos. Keep me busy. When your help turns up 2 hours too late. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Nope, not impressed. She wants to play with the phone instead. Hi, Louise.
Hi.
Yep, highlight it day. Look at that smile. So we're back on the ground. Chucked all the crap back in the car. As I'm running out of time today now, so I think that's going to be it. Got the black wheels on now, so we can actually move the car. So car starts, runs, drives, stops. All on my bucket. You being helpful? What are you doing? Oh, alright. Well, anyway. Yeah, job done. It's not in the best position, but it works. It holds the bonnet. Little things. So there is one more piece to the gear linkage I've got to put on, but I've not done it simply because I've got to change this hose. Other bits and bobs I've got to move. I've got to tidy the wiring up. So I might as well do all that in one go. Just saves messing about, really. Best take them away. So when it comes to this CAE shifter, this trim doesn't fit. I know it needs a clean. So it does tell me how to trim it, but in the instructions I got, this is a different trim. It's not even that. So what we have to do is when you put it in place, it's hitting here. So we're going to notch out this square, just there. That way it should keep some rigidity to it, and hopefully fit in place. I could leave it off, yes, but I don't want to. If I can make it fit, I want to make it fit. Notched here, cut this in half, like a glove. Well, hey. One fully assembled centre console. Forgot to put that bit in. Good job it's only at front. These stupid things. And I noticed something else. Where's my wing bolts? What's occurring? I mean, I haven't touched them. And they're just not there. Ugh. I guess that's what you get for buying a rolling shell. Oh look, back to a full interior. And it all works. Fiver says airbag lights on. Of course, the bulb's been taped over. Just for giggles, I will show you. See it? It's half and half. Yep. I don't know. So they're coming out. Louise turned up.
Hi.
Food. Say hello. No. She's shiny. Still shiny. Hi. No, she's got KFC, she don't care. So what do we think? I just lightly stuck it on. Better? Don't know. Might be a question for Louise, that one. Put a comment down, see what you think. And off she goes, leaving me again. Bye! Sorry guys, so the videos had to come to a bit of a abrupt end. Why? One of my good friends, his car's broke down, had to go fetch him. Well, go fetch it, should I say. He managed to get it home. I think the clutch is gone, so I'm out in the truck. It's raining, it's miserable. How else do you finish your Sunday off? Well, failing that, we'll carry on with the rest of it in the next video. I don't even know what I've got left to do now. I've completely lost my train of thought what I was doing with it. So, but yeah, if you enjoyed it so far, like, share, subscribe, and you know, ring that bell. Make sure you're getting notifications every time a video comes out. Until then, see you on the next one.